Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to be taking up the Carbon Cub S2. My last video, I did a simulator video of me flying this plane on the simulator. And I was showing basically a tutorial on how to do flat turns, two-dimensional turns, or coordinated turns, whatever you want to call it, with a curved weem cub, or really any cub. And I was just showing it with this plane. Now I'm going to do it in real life and attempt to show the same things. Yes, it is always easier on a simulator, so let's see if I can pull the same maneuvers off with the actual plane. Going into the wind now. Okay. Okay. A little bit down trim there. Alright, let's see if we can't get this thing turned. There. There's a nice flat turn there. There. Another flat turn. See if I can just keep that momentum up. Flat turn. Another flat turn. Okay. Alright, fine. Put our landing flaps on.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
There. Turning, trying to turn it as flat as possible. Going to do a nice slow flyby here. Flaps are all the way down. Alright, now we're going to turn to the right. Trying to maintain that flat turn as much as possible. There we go. Now back to the left. Trying to keep that turn as flat and as two-dimensional as I can. Would be nice a little bit lower though. Okay. They're keeping that turn nice and flat. Not trying to go crazy with the plane today. Nice flat turn. Another flat turn. Another flat turn. And I know, and yet another somewhat flat turn. Okay. Get a nice slow pass there. Take the flaps back up. There. A little bit of knife edge there. So that's an aileron turn there. Just like that's an aileron turn. Let's see if I can get slow here. See, I was trying to get up high. Get up high. Okay. Try to get it to tip stall. There. I was just starting a tip stall. You started seeing that wing there? Here. Here. Get her level. Yeah. Folks, I mean, yeah, I know I'm trying to show you a tip stall. There, slow. But tip stall is a position that's not supposed to happen. You're screwing up if you're tip stall. And I don't want that to happen. So, alright. Yeah, I think I need to put a little bit of a mix in, maybe, with these flaps, because she definitely does want a balloon on me. Okay, let's go a nice little flat turn here with, alright. Let's get her turned around here, another flat turn. Okay. All right. Well, folks, there you go. That is the Carbon Cub S2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.